Hi, my name is Abigail Crane, and I am an exercise science major here at the College of Western Idaho. I am a mom to two beautiful boys, and I am going into my fifth year of college, due to not exercise, but major changes and things of that sort. Some of the fun things that I like to do in my spare time are I enjoy going outside and spending time with my kids, riding bikes, going on walks, playing soccer, basically anything that involves getting moving and becoming active. And I enjoy going to the gym regularly. I'm actually prepping to compete in a bodybuilding show here very, very soon. And so basically anything that gets me moving and going is what I really like to do for fun. And I also enjoy to cook and prep my food, and it's just a lot of fun. One of the biggest reasons why I got involved with sports and physical therapy was because a couple of years ago I went through a really bad divorce, and um, all through that time period, I kind of found myself going to the gym a lot more and more, and I decided that I wanted to take up my nursing degree up a notch and go for physical therapy. And in order to do that, I had to go to exercise science to begin my journey with that. And so here I am. I really look forward to participating in this class, and I hope to get to know all of you very well. Thanks.